Hi and welcome to a new episode of EPLAN with Chris. Today I'm going to show you how you can open your parts management or your dictionary or your project management without interrupting your work directly in EPLAN. So if you want to know how you can open the parts management and still move around in your project, then stick around because we will jump right into it. Join the community today, hit the subscribe button and never miss a new video again. So what do we need to do to make this possible? First of all, we need to copy the exe from your desktop and give it a new name. I mark the exe from EPLAN, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then I change the name. This will be the parts management. And now I make a right click and say properties. And the only thing you need to do is to copy this whole line, which you can find in the video description, like I do it here, and paste it in the target line. And then we click on apply and OK. The first part and the first line is the standard which comes from EPLAN, and the second line is the part that we add to the line. So we don't load any workspace, we close EPLAN after finishing the startup. We tell EPLAN that we don't want to start the main display, and here is the action for starting the parts management. And this first part will stay the same for every other action. We only need to change the last part. So we copy the one which we created right now, change the name to dictionary, open the properties, and then change the last part from the target line. We click on apply and OK, and then we do this one last time for the project management. We go on properties again and also change the last part from the target line. And please make sure, if you don't work with the version 2026, you need to change the part here in the middle to the version which you use. Maybe it's 2025 or 2023, so please make sure this is exactly the version which you use right now. And now if I make a double click, you can see the parts management opens and I can create new parts and switch between my project pages at the same time. So there's no interruption by switching into the parts management and leaving again. And when we make a double click on the dictionary, the same thing happens for our dictionary. So we now can add translations without interrupting our workflow directly in EPLAN. And this would be exactly the same with the project management, but on my test machine I don't have the project management in use, so unfortunately I'm not able to show you how the window looks. But you can trust me, I've tested the whole thing on my normal machine and it works out perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And I hope you have fun trying it out, and I'll see you next time.